This is what we get for not coming to the good companies.
I know.
Okay, my guess.
First time purchasing gas on his new vehicle, SVT Lightning. It's at a quarter of a tank.
Quarter of a tank, let's see how much it is.
Yeah. 20, how many gallons?
20,
26?
23 and a half?
23 and a half gallons, quarter of a tank.
Why is gas so expensive?
93
I just
octane.
my Mustang. I need to actually take this part off.
Wow.
Can you believe that? She drinks, man. Let me tell you. It's great.
I know. Looks like a bird.
How is it still filling up? It's at $55.
50. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, it just stopped. 18 gallons.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
56.
For a quarter of a
gallons. Quarter.
So
quarter
divide
left.
that by 4 and then multiply.
You're calculating the MPG?
It's like
10.
60. It'd be like almost $75. More than that.
Oh, for a full tank.
$80 for a full tank.
What about your Mustang? Do you know?
Like $40.
So this is the most you've ever paid for like a fill up?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think trucker life.
Yep.
Yeah, if you were wondering how much it costs to fill up your tank on a Ford Lightning, $56 for 18 gallons at
Premium levels.
$3.10 a gallon.
93 octane. And what's the MPG on this thing?
I think like 11.
Oh,
9,
11 Highway 9 City.
pretty much. With overdrive and stuff. Yeah. Overdrive off, maybe like 4. Who knows? But just like that.
AVI out.